Okay, guys. Velkommen to Anne i dis restaurant today because you are doing to work at this order, so watch me. All have to do is just need to work at this. And also der vil be mangle her to sige regnandevis en regnplads.
Hello Mankel.
Hello Ryan. And I just noticed that we are Albanate from Chinatown because everyone wants it and go to Chinatown again.
Anyways, so tease til this restaurant and so tease til there are no smoking, no fighting, no children, no catching snails, museswarats, no sniling, no piss, no catching cold, no disappointing and musmore. So tea smoking, fighting, children and snails, muses and rats order will get alarm babs, and you will be banned like Chinatown and never go and see you anymore. So you must sit down at the table.
Oh yes we are. No I can't sit on that chair and wait for the minutes, because I want to get this one.
Ryan, you are watching him because smoking will be banned for this, so are you on 10 minutes.
Yes I know.
Koray, can we please have some for Ryan like Chinatown for giving milk and crepes? Can I have onion rings and egg salad? Louis has milk and cheesy chips, and Ryan has crepes and milk.
Vel så sno syg tipsen her, because on ly milk no solid milk, but krips are no den her, but somme arter, but the apostrofen going to koksomme.
Okay then. And now we are going to take a music for I play, watch. Now let us to know.
I har betast no longe kok for en ly en oven, but on ly food sig en table. Antager is your milk and krips foran, mange hæs union ring sand i salad, anlevis hæs milk and chips.
Well thank you Cory, and let's eat milk and crepes. Wow that I was hungry.
I will eat onion rings and egg salad. GM. So that was hungry.
Also and let's eat milk and chips. That I was hungry I can't use that table.
Levis you are no the løbet to talk about compliant things, og her viser I der på strofe LB bandet as well. So are you on the table?
Oh yes we are.
And now, we will talk about the story of My Little Pony. Twilight gets a help of Pinkie Pie. Once upon a time, she was go to the Castle of Friendship. Who? And then Twilight Sparkle runs to Pinkie Pie and saying boo, and she was walk to the corner and finds a way to kill them. And Twilight Sparkle needs a help of Pinkie Pie still. Pinkie Pie will help Twilight Sparkle because Starlight Glimmer is watching, because she is so sexy and hot, and she will kill Twilight Sparkle with a knife and kill with all of her guns. And Pinkie Pie will grow bigger and become giant, and also Twilight sentenced to death and locked, and thanks of ever after, that.
Oh I know that the My Little Pony story. And now I can't go back home. No, because we are not going home yet.
You know, if you talk compliant things, it will be banned from it is and never go and see you anymore, so I apostrophe will play music instead.
Okay, let's watch. Now let us to know.
I har beudrone musik an I apostrophe will keeping playing and in your earphone.
Oh yes we are. I can't get a smoking at this restaurant for I try. Oh my god, what is that noise?
Is it no smoking in iced teas, and we are banned from iced teas because we are all going out of iced teas because everyone will never see and go ever again anymore, and now we are going out of the iced teas restaurant from the nearest exit and never come and see back ever again forever and ever or more.
Okay, and let's get out.
And now we are all banned out from the 80s. And I wish Cory is going away.
Yes I know because we are all banned and restricted and destruct from iced teas like Chinatown and never come back or see ever again forever.
Well thanks and goodbye. No, we are going home. Oh yes, we are.
Now it's completely on my own. I wish I can come to the Ryan and Louis to stay in Ryan place to stay in forever. And this is the best day of in my life. Thanks of the watch, you help of John. Goodbye.